Hey! 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 Dap-ay ng bayan,
Bilog ang daan, kwento ng ninuno, buhay sa kasaysayan. Tinig ng kabataan, sigaw ng pag-asa. Larry Itliong sa puso ng masa.
hey! 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 Hey!
Sa San Nicolas nagsimula isang araw ng liwanag, isang araw ng alaala.
Hindi lang pista, ito'y panata, mural, musika at kwento ng masa.
Hindi kami susuko, di kami pasisi. Ang kasaysayan namin di dapat limutin. Hindi kami lilim,
Kami araw ng bayan,
sa bawat baryo may Larry Itliong na tunay.
Hindi kami hamingawaw ng dayuhan. Kami ang tinig ng sariling kasaysayan. Hindi kami taga-sunod ng utos. Kami ang gumuguhit ng bagong bukas. To every resident of San Nicolas, be a Larry Itliong in your own barrio. To every youth, do not wait for permission to shine emit light. To every Filipino, you are not subject to another shadow. You are the sun, emit light, emit light. Dap-ay ng bayan, oh, 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 oh. Hey, hey, oh, 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 oh. Hey, hey.
before Magellan, we sailed the stars. In 1888, we built the republic. We were interrupted. Now, we resume. Sino tayo? Bayani ng baryo. Ano tayo?
Tinig ng kasaysayan, anong dala?
Liwanag ng ninuno. Anong panata?
Di ka pasisiw. To every resident of San Nicolas, be a Larry Itliong in your own barrio. To every youth, do not wait for permission to shine emit light. To every Filipino, you are not subject to another shadow. You are the sun, emit light, emit light. Dap-ay ng bayan, oh, 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 oh. Dap-ay ng bayan, oh, 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 oh. Bilog ang daan, Larry Itliong sa puso ng bayan. Emit light, emit light. Sa bawat baryo, sa bawat buhay. Oh, 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 oh. Hey, hey, oh, 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 oh. Hey, hey.
Yo, what's the point of history if it's not on the page? If the book stays silent, we break out the stage. Yeah. Let's go!
Yeah! What's the point of history if it's buried and vague? Lessons feel hollow, schools disengage. Time to flip the script, let the truth engage. A hero's tale deserves respect. Iliad, center stage. Iliad, oh, 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 oh. Iliad, Iliad, Ilog. Iliad, oh, 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 oh. Iliad, Iliad, Ilog.
From San Nicolas, Pangasinan, he came with fire. $50 in his pocket, but a dream much higher. Worked the fields saw the pain, saw the waves divide. Said nah, grabbed the mic, took the fight outside. In Coachella he rose, Pinoy and Mexicano. Linked arms, dropped grapes, said no mas hermano. Delano, Filipino Hall, fists in the air. September 8, history lit the flare. 2,000 strong, heat on the backs, drop grapes on the ground. No turning back, growers hit hard, but the spirit hit harder. Each bruise was a vow, each day made him smarter. Till Itliong moved the board, made her walk a line. Merged with Caesar, drew the front line. Pinoy and Mexicano side by side. Delano grape strike, they rose with pride. 5 years deep, they held that line. Now Larry Itliong, they etching time.
Yeah, what's the point of history if it's buried and vague? Lessons feel hollow, schools disengage. Time to flip the script, let the truth engage. A hero's tale deserves respect. Itliong, center stage. Salute to Itliong, workers united. Itliong, Larry Itliong.
This ain't just a name, it's a legacy flame. From the fields to the halls, Mabuhay Pinoy is in backsack. We remember solidarity's claim. History's alive when the people reclaim. Larry Itliong. Mabuhay, say the name. Say the name. Say the name. Larry Itliong.
Yo! Anong silbi ng kasaysayan kung wala sa pahina? May kulang sa turo, di binabanggit sa eskwela. Panahon na siguro ilagay sa tamang pwesto ang kwento ng bayani. Respeto kay Itliong, presto! Larry Itliong, Larry Itliong. Galing sa Pilipinas, dalay pangarap at $50 sa bukid nagtrabaho, pero kulang ang bayad. Di patas ang sahod, di dapat palampasin. Kaya nag-organisa, kasama ang tropa. Laban ay sinimulan. Sa Stockton nakilala ang awaw. Kasama si Cesar, nagplano ng hagbang. Pinoy at Mexican, nagkaisa sa laban. Delano grape strike, sabay silang tumindig. 2,000 mukha, nagmarcha sa init. 5 taon ang lumipas, tagumpay ay naabot. Kaya may Larry Itliong Day, wag kalimot. Yeah. Anong silbi ng kasaysayan kung wala sa pahina? May kulang sa turo, di binabanggit sa eskwela. Panahon na siguro ilagay sa tamang pwesto ang kwento ng bayani. Respeto kay Itliong, presto! Saludo sa Manggagawang nagkaisa, Larry Itliong. Saludo sa Itliong, Manggagawang nagkaisa, Larry Itliong. Itliong, Itliong, Itliong. Larry Itliong. Alright.
Down with the bosses, up with the brave. Let scabs be buried, not be saved. Long live the revolution. As Larry says, Mabuhay ang himagsakan. Long live our union's call. Strike across the valley, strike for one and